Between which two labeled points on the number line would the square root of 10 be located? So the points on the number line are all between 3.0 and 3.5. This is a good starting point because you have to think that the number 10, the number underneath the square root, is in between the two perfect squares of 9 and 16, and it is much closer to 9. So the square root of 10 is going to be much closer to the square root of 9 than it is the square root of 16, which is in between 3 and 4. So the square root of 10 is going to be close to the square root of 9, which is 3. So that's why our number line is going from 3 to 3.5, since it is much closer to 3 than it is to 4. Now, approximately to the nearest tenth, which number would it be closest to? Well, now that we have our numbers, let's actually square those numbers and see which one comes closest to 10. So we already know that 3 squared is 9. 3.1 squared, or 3.1 times 3.1, is 9.61. 3.2 squared, let's show we're squaring these numbers. 3.2 squared, or 3.2 times 3.2, is 10.24. 3.3 squared, or 3.3 times 3.3, is 10.89. 3.4 squared is then 3.4 times 3.4, which is 11.56. So looking at these values squared, we can see that the square root of 10 is going to fall in between 9.61 and 10.24, or 10 falls between those two numbers, so the square root of 10 is going to fall in between 3.1 and 3.2, making our answer B. It's located between the points of 2 and 3 on the number line.